Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G62 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to find the sound and vibration section. Let's enter. Now let's scroll down to find this kind of ringtone section, because here we can change the ringtone for two different SIM cards. So let me show you how to do it using, for example, the first SIM card. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping, this window will simply pop out. Here we've got some defaultly installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option none, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify you using, of course, the sound that you've got the incoming call. Or you can add the ringtone, so simply pick the something from the files which you've got currently installed on your device, saved on your device. So for example, if you will have any compatible files downloaded from the internet, then you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And you will be able to hear it simply. And if you are happy with your choice, if you'd like to, for example, set this natural one, let me volume it down a little bit. If you want to set it, just tap on OK. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Motorola Moto G62. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.